Hi guys, I'm here to try the tap fly feature of DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. Here I am. Enjoy the video. Take it to a desired altitude where you can avoid buildings and trees. So my altitude at the moment is 33 meters. That's the first thing you have to do. Left-hand side of the app, you see a controller sign. If you click it, that will open the intelligent mode section. In there, press tap fly, and that will take you to this screen. So on the right hand side you can set the speed. So I'm going to go for a low speed. And all you do is just click the screen twice. And that's it. The drone will start to move. You see the aircraft descending. That is because there will be a line which denotes where you need to click. If you click above the line, the aircraft will be ascending, and if you click below the line, the aircraft will be descending. You can also use the controller anytime you want to change the direction, or if you want to alter the altitude, you can always use the controller. So the controller will still work even though you are in the intelligent mode. So the horizontal line you see on the horizon is the line where it's like a reference. So if you click above, the drone goes above. If you click below, the drone descends. So with this nice intelligent maneuver mode, you could do nice cinematic videos. You could control the speed of the drone, and you get a smooth cinematic footage. That concludes the tap fly tutorial for DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for further tutorials and cinematic videos. Many thanks. Bye.